Chuck to any person not the same. When I used to own a mint, I know me living out my dream.
Hey guys, welcome back to Howard's World. My name is Howard, and on today's episode of Howard's World, we're gonna talk about top prize. And if you live in Jamaica, if you come from Jamaica, you know me I talk about the Alkaline new album. What do you think? Let me know in the comments before we start. What do you think? What are the views on it? How do you think it go on? Just let me know what you think. Sound off down in the comments, right? But we'll give a quick run through. Alright, so the song drop when? Today when? Saturday. The song drop Thursday night. You see me? And when it drop, everybody run to it. We know what else them run to, but for now we're talking about Alkaline. And you know, so them man don't know why you talk about nobody else when you can't talk about him. You see me? So who we gonna compare him to? Alkaline. We'll compare Alkaline to Alkaline. What's about New Year's? New Year's? What that? The last album in drop, the first one. What was that? Think that the name debut album, no? That did a New Level Unlock, I think, right? So now we have top prize. I mean, everybody I compare the two of them, so may I compare the two of them too? You see what I say? But look upon it. Personally, let me just get this out of the way. I feel like New Level Unlock was better than this. Not saying this wasn't a good album. I think this was a good album, and you know, good music. I'm give you what song company? 14 song company. You see me? And I think from after 14, they have 3 singles. Wait, they have Top Prize, Cree, Wave Like the Ocean. 3. Wait, that's not the one single to know. That's I think that's so probably 4. I think 4 singles. That's been out. I think that's been out. But yeah, guys, listen to all of it. Well, I listened to all of it. I think you should before you judge. Well, I listened to all of it, and I mean, good album, right? Good album. And all them hit, as in like on all them like slap way, but good album. You see me? It start with Top Prize, and you know we hear that already. Good song. That's a good song. Like even if you never have an album, that's a good song. Top Prize is a good song. Number 2, Ocean Wave. We know that. Wave Like the Ocean. We know that. Deso, I'm pretty sure it's a Deso. I want something there. Deso come out 4 months ago. Deso the one single from it. If you want to know Deso, go listen to it. Maniac. Bad. That song there? Bad. I'm gonna see if I can play it part tight. If me mute, if you hear the part tight, when I go play and the mute, I can't get copyright, I'm gonna have to mute it. You see me? But I'm gonna try it. I try teeth piece. Let me see. Starting feet bad. Well raw, but bad. Yeah. Good song. I'm gonna try to get to the chorus.
So much money she have turning off me. Transform in a maniac.
Good song. Good song. Applause. Good song. Can't take that from him. Good song. Maniac, a good song. Magic. I never really love Magic. I mean, it's a listen. It's a alright song. I never like no song where I feel like I never feel like that dead if I never hear Magic. Magic nice, you know. I'm rather Maniac though, but Magic nice. Magic, I lie. You can listen to Magic while you have vibe, while you in the car vibe. Magic good song. Hostage are the next one. Let's go through them real quick so that one can like just have a idea of the sounds real quick. Everybody over on the social medias I go crazy over Hostage. The people them love Hostage, so him definitely never miss with that one there at all, because everybody love Hostage. Why am I not see it on this? I like it, I don't love it. I like it. I think my favorite on this is I have 3 songs I like on it. I like Maniac, Heat of the Moment, and I like Not Trust Mankind. 3 songs, yeah, I like 3 songs. I mean the singles them, we not include the singles because we hear them there and you know, I like the singles, so we're not talking about the singles right now. But me I try to find Hostage, I'm not see it. I'm try to go on a little piece. No, what I'm going. Oh wait. Me not keep the cut me right go to the and just see yeah. Slam up already in the water. Hostage are good. I don't know. I don't kill myself over Hostage, but Good song, not even gonna lie. Twerk. Yo, twerk. The rhythm for twerk, brother. The rhythm for twerk go hard from Mega Trust find the starting. The rhythm for twerk go hard. That alone me a play, brother. The rhythm for twerk bad. Rhythm for twerk bad. But I listen to twerk just for the rhythm. The song bad. It's chill. It's a vibe song. You see me? It's a vibe song. You cannot chill with it. Like if you are chill and I just easy back and hear the song, that's like you instantly like feel for move. Mad song. You see what I'm saying? So twerk bad. But not like him good, him do. And that's the thing. Enough good songs there on it. Me not really see none where totally miss. However, the album on a whole, I expected more. You see me? I expected more. I mean, for who he is, for what him do already, for the not even like comparing it to the previous album he dropped, they expect more. You see me? I say, listen to it and let me know what you think down below. And if you listen to all that yet, I think you should. After Twerk Hour, More Life. Yeah, me know the one there. More Life, I love that one there. It's more of a conscious tune, but I love that one there. I love More Life. I love it. It's alright, you know. Good tune, conscious tune, but I love it. Next, Not Trust Mankind. Oh, the thing with this album too, it's easy to digest. I think it's like, how much minutes? Like 32 minutes? Like 30 something minutes? I don't think it reached 40 minutes. Like, I think like 30 little minutes or something like that. It's easy to digest, nice, like, it flows nice. You know what I say? Like, the song them, it flow nice. I feel like he ordered it well. But, clearly, our album, and everything I go hit. But you look on the album as a composition, and as a composition, I don't think, I expected more as a composition. You get what I say? So, like, naturally, you can pick up good songs, but I expected more. Not Trust Mankind. This is one of my favorite. Yeah. I have to play them sometimes because I have to remind myself of like just how it's on the flow and what did I feel when it just start play or like the first time I listen to it. Because with a good song, you know, so with a hit, you listen to it the first time you go, no sir, pull this. Listen to it one 3 times and you go, nah man, this bad. You see what I'm saying? So you have some songs where like from the get-go, you know. For example, Twerk. Twerk rhythm catch me from like that. Twerk and Maniac from the start. I was just like, damn. Love them two tune, yeah. What that? The next song named Isn't like, sorry. The next song named Good song. Nah, kill up myself over it. Good song though. Hasn't it? Good song. Next, Heat of the Moment. Rate Heat of the Moment. It's just a chill song. Heat of the Moment is that song where I feel like you could have sent a girl Heat at the moment. What do you think? If you like, listen to it and tell me. If you like, you could have sent a girl Heat at the moment, and you send her and it's on a vibe to it, and you're just like, yo, this is our song now. Is what I said? It's our song now. But yeah, good song. Number 12, a Cree. In drop Cree, we don't got number 12. We know Cree. Cree is a great song, you know. Let me not talk about it because yeah, we've been hearing, but Cree as a single, I feel like he did good putting Cree as a single for this album. Cree is a great song, brother. The visuals feed, however, Jesus, peace. The visuals for Cree, the music video, me don't know, like, me not see the direction it a go, me not see where it a come from, me not hate it. Hate the visuals for Cree. Me not lie, like, not even just dislike, me hate it, brother. Me listen to it, me watch it since morning, still not feel no different about it, me hate it, bad. Me don't know, I just feel like, you ever feel like a music video can make you drop the ratings for a song, but feel like, say, Cree do that, cause a Cree music video do that, cause the song, bad. What can bad, you see what I'm saying? Bad. Number 13, Medicine. What Medicine go again? Medicine is a chill song too. Medicine is a song where you could have listen when you drive by Ochi and Easy Back, Bucky. Yeah. And I want a song where I say, yo, I'm hear Medicine though. But I want a song where if you're in the car and it start play, it's a vibe. You get me? I say I wouldn't hear a selector play and say, yo dog, play medicine. Nah. Would I say yo, play maniac, which is number 4, but would say yo play medicine. Last one payroll. I'm not fancy about payroll, I like it. Like I feel like when payroll they start playing, I did next it and I did the last song, so I was just like, oh god damn it. But I don't love payroll. Me no love this at all. My mother call me, wanna hear that? But I'm not answer yet, because the video soon done. You see what I'm saying? Me no love payroll. All in all, this album was a good album. Me not say it was a great album, but it was a good album. It's a good listen. You see what I'm saying? However, I still feel like his previous album did way better. Just saying. But this song here, as relates to girl tune, dog. The album are for the girls, bro. The album in a too violent, like they start the album out are for the ladies, and I just feel like say Alkaline can just switch over and start make girl tune. I mean, no. Cause create a gunman tune and create hard. But I mean, Alkaline give a good girl tune. Been still, but no, I'm convinced. So yeah, with that being said, let me know what you think. Let me know if you listen to the album, what you think of it, etc. That was my take on it. If you disagree, tell me down below. If you agree, tell me down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell a friend that your friend Howard said to tell a friend. Big up on yourself. Me gone.